Or man eats tiny hamster. Why? Why would you do that?
What the fuck?
Oh!
Oh! Ew! Ew! What?
No!
Oh, what the fuck? Take it away! Why would you do that?
Oh, that
What's
actually
wrong?
made me gag!
Really?
Oh my god, why? Why would he do that?
Why did you do this?
I thought it was going to be like, oh, he just puts the hamster in his mouth.
He chewed.
He chewed and the hamster like popped.
Agents, what's wrong with you?
Oh no, my poor little Irish. No, there it is again. Don't.
He's got that blue hair. Oh, what the fuck? Oh.
See, you almost got sick as well.
What the fuck is this in my mouth?
Is that hamster?
I don't know.
Camera one.